wish to experience Bali in Maharashtra, look no further than this luxury resort in Igatpuri. Welcome to Tropical Retreat Luxury Spa and Resort.
Just 2.5 hours away from Mumbai, Igatpuri is a beautiful hill station and one of the most popular weekend getaways. From the dense forest to the waterfalls, Igatpuri attracts nature lovers and trekkers. And to explore this place like never before, I'm going to stay at one of the best resorts here. This is Tropical Retreat Luxury Spa and Resort, rated as one of the best properties in Igatpuri. It gives a lot of Bali vibe because of its architecture and the tropical feel that they have created. And you know, we at Curly Tails love to share all these beautiful experiences with you. You guessed it right, we have a Curly Tails exclusive package for this property too. Keep watching to know more. Tropical Retreat Luxury Resort and Spa Igatpuri is surrounded by greenery and nature sprawling over 8.5 acres of land. It offers 63 luxurious guest rooms, spacious banquet and 45,000 square feet outdoor banqueting options, including poolside and majestic lawns, which can be customized and is ideal to host any event or even for a weekend getaway. So all the rooms here have an amazing pool view, and the hotel offers about 3 categories of rooms, all of them equipped with everything a business or a leisure traveler would need. And yes, we do have a Curly Tails package on all 3 categories. Check this out. This is the base category room Magnolia, and this balcony facing the pool is like a cherry on the cake. With the Curly Tails exclusive offer, you can stay here at 6,499 and save over 35% because this package includes breakfast, lunch and a cocktail drink for 2. You also get complimentary access to all the adventure activities at the resort. So this is Ensorium, which is a room perfect for a family of 4. It's spread across 2 floors and it's got a cute little deck upstairs. If you're a family of 4, there can't be a better package than this at 8,499, where you and your kids below 12 can enjoy the stay along with all the other inclusions. So this is the luxury suite at Tropical Retreat, which comes with an outdoor deck, a living area as well as a spacious bedroom that comes with a balcony. And if you book this room through Curly Tails exclusive offer, you can save over 40%. Well, the experience doesn't end at just staying in the room. The resort offers a whole host of adventure activities. And guess what? Whatever I'm going to be trying is a part of the Curly Tails exclusive package. That includes cycling on a rope. At Tropical Retreat, there's a huge adventure zone spread across 45,000 square feet that is sure to test your physical abilities. From bodysorb to archery to rope crossing, you and your kids are surely going to be engaged. But what I'm most curious about is the cycling on the rope. So I'm going to be cycling on a rope. Let's get started.
I know how to love you now. I know how to love you.
Woo! That was something. I can't believe I actually cycled on a rope. Oh my god. And if that's not enough, try your hand at cricket or basketball at the humongous turf. Since Igatpuri is so close to the wine capital of India, Nasik, you can also experience what it takes to make wine. Indulge in a grape stomping experience like never before.
I know how to love you. I know how to love you.
Other than the main pool, there's also a temperature controlled pool here. You can take a dip or indulge in an outdoor spa therapy.
As the sun sets, make your way to the lounge, which is always buzzing with live music or DJ playing some popular tracks. Add some bar food to it and your evening is set. The resort also offers herbal shisha to enhance your evenings. But if you're a fan of private dining, Tropical Retreat Luxury Spa and Resort can also arrange that on request. All's well that ends well. There couldn't have been a better finish to my stay in Igatpuri than by enjoying this amazing private dining experience. So if you too wish to experience the good life, click on the link in description and avail that Curly Tails exclusive offer, which is available for a limited period only. Until then, remember to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tails. It's me, Kamya Jani, signing off.